Hey Sean, this is Austin. I'm the one who reached out to you regarding the Zapier integration for adding additional fields. Just wanted to go ahead and review the fields that we would go ahead and need on our side, which would make our lives a heck of a lot more easier, man. So this is what we're looking at. Basically, it's almost like a legacy export. Obviously, there's some additional fields here that we want to go ahead and use. Some of this stuff is pretty standard, radar ID, so we can easily search back into it. These are just fields that we have in our Salesforce integration right now. So what we would like to do is be able to grab these fields here, make a Zapier connection between Property Radar and Salesforce, and then that way it can go ahead and create a new lead as a new lead comes in our list, or update it once these fields do change. So we target a lot of foreclosures, and just a lot of absentee owners. We basically circle prospect and prospect a lot of distressed property, right? So we're needing all the foreclosure information, and right now what's happening is we're having to export this information and then use an application called Power Tools to merge and compare data every single day. And it's like 4 hours of admin work. So we go ahead and export the data from Property Radar and then go ahead and compare the data into Salesforce to make sure that information is accurate, because it's not allowing us to actually update that lead. So we have to do it manually. So the foreclosure information here is super important. So for foreclosure stage, recording date, original sale date, sale place, sell time, and default amount is super important to us. What's also important is purchase date, purchase type, and purchase amount. So this is going to let us know if those foreclosures are selling as they're in our system, right? So if we can go ahead and have this automatically update through Zapier, that'd be fantastic. And even for us circle prospecting and absentee owners and stuff like that, if we're able to actually see how often these are selling, we can get them out of our list and clean up our list for our sales team to be go ahead and prospect that, right? Um, and then this is just standard information for our sales team to be able to see it and to allow us to be able to filter in our CRM, by address, by county, if the property's vacant or if it's not vacant, what the type looks like. This is good for our sales team to know as they're talking to that person. If it's owner occupied, if it's not owner occupied, we can filter by that. If they're absentee owners, this would allow us to go ahead and filter comparing this to our subject address. Plus equity, right? Equity for us is huge because we only want to chase stuff with equity. So if we're able to know the equity dollar amount and equity percentage versus the value and total loans, we're able to really target our list, on our sales business. So if we're able to get these fields here, additionally added into Zapier, that'd be fantastic for us to be able to create stuff automatically that matches our list and update it automatically without having to manually do it every single day. I'll go ahead and send you over these fields. Sean, I appreciate you. I appreciate your time, and thank you for the consideration on this. Thank you so much.